friends, Jordan from Frog Street here. We are here today to show you our Inclusive Classrooms kit. You can see here all of the things that come in this kit, and this is our plastic bin, and this is so great because when you're putting anything into your classroom, we know that it can be crowded, but this is an easy way for you to easily access. We have it labeled and it will just slide and fit right in, no problem. So let's start here with our Inclusive Strategies Guidebook. So here at Frog Street, we understand that all children learn, grow, and develop at different paces. So we want to make sure that you're given the tools to be able to support all children in your classroom, no matter what. And we also understand that not everybody has a master's degree in special education. That's exactly what this is. This is a guidebook for you to be able to provide for your kiddos in your classroom that may present with a learning disability. Now, in this guidebook, there are so many different things that you can stick in your teacher toolbox, but some of them include children with hearing loss, children with autism spectrum disorder, how to support those families of those students, and how to set up a positive learning environment in your classroom to make sure that all children feel comfortable. But not only that you know how to support these children, but the other students in your classroom feel comfortable supporting them as well. That's why we've included 5 read-alouds in this kit for you to talk to students about how we can support those kiddos and how to support themselves. This is a huge social emotional piece that you can utilize in your classroom to really support those babies. And I know one thing for us as educators that can be very difficult is feeling that we don't have the tools to do our job. That's exactly what this is. The last thing that's going to come in this kit is a set of strategy cards. These are very easy to flip through, and they have some of the same information that's in the guidebook, but they're on this hook so you can easily put them at the front of your classroom. All those things that are in Inclusive Strategies classroom book are also in these strategy cards for your easy access. I hope that this maybe gives you an oversight and that this could be a tool that you could use in your classroom. It also comes in English and Spanish.